Do you ever have an extra blank page in your Word document that just won't go away? That blank, stubborn page at the end of your file, refusing to be deleted no matter what you try. Well, in this quick video, we're going to fix that, guaranteed. Let's dive in.
Here I am inside Microsoft Word with a sample document, but you'll notice I have a few extra blank pages hanging around. So, how do we remove them? Just scroll to the very end of the text you want to keep and place your cursor right at the end. Now, press the delete key on your keyboard and hold it down for a few seconds. Watch as those extra blank pages vanish. Now, if I scroll through the document again, you'll see we're left with just the final intended page. That's clean and simple. But hold on, you might be wondering, why did those blank pages show up in the first place? Let's rewind and find out. I'll press Ctrl+Z to undo those changes and bring the blank pages back. Now, let's solve the mystery. Go up to the top ribbon and make sure you're in the Home tab. In the center, look for the paragraph group and click on the Show Hide icon. It looks like a little backward P. This will reveal all your hidden formatting marks. You might spot things like extra paragraph breaks, section breaks, random spaces, or tabs. In my case, there's a section break right before the new page, and that's exactly what's causing it. This tool is super helpful for spotting layout issues and cleaning up your document. And that's it. That stubborn blank page should now be a thing of the past. No more confusing scrolls, no more printing surprises. Hopefully that mystery is solved, and now you can finally go to bed in peace. If you want more thrilling content like mail merges or mastering table formatting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You definitely don't want to miss out. It's truly riveting stuff.